For today's home tips, small changes that you can make which will have a large impact on your listing. So today we're going to talk about, it's the time of year for ants, and ants have been crawling everywhere. We're finding them in our house, doesn't matter where we are. I don't know, my rental properties are finding them, some of my listings. It's just that time of year, guys. You can't prevent ants from getting in. They just are, especially if you have, the reason we're standing here, you have doors that come into the outside. They're finding their way in. So instead of, walking into a listing, if you're a buying agency and ants are freaking out, it's just happening all over the place. But as a seller, what you can do is you got to set up ant traps. So you got to put them all across doors over here, under your sinks, wherever there's food. They usually die out in the next couple of months or so it won't be as big of a problem. But right now we're finding ants every single place. So you don't want to give the impression that you're not cleaning the property, even though that you can clean the property and ants come in the next day. It's just in the buyer's mentality that, well, maybe you're not cleaning the property, which is not true. So try to kill those ants. So put up traps wherever you can, try to make them as discreet as possible as well.